The IT landscape continues to shift. Enterprise IT resources are being restructured, while computing at the edge of the network continues to expand bigger and stronger than ever. These trends are impacting new and existing small to mid-size IT infrastructures, creating additional power requirements for small spaces. It's dynamics like these that are creating situations, such as the single 4 kW rack that needs to become a 10 or 15 kW site to process new applications and services. Vertiv continues to answer these challenges at the edge by introducing the Liebert EXS UPS to our growing portfolio. This offering provides an integrated, simple, space-saving UPS solution to power and protect these environments. The Liebert EXS has models to address many of the small to mid-size applications in the market. Let's look closer at why this is the UPS for the new critical IT edge. Making three-phase power protection simpler starts with designing an integrated system. The standard Liebert EXS is optimized with the most important and useful features to deliver better performance while saving space and time. We integrated around a high power density design, leveraging long-life batteries, maintenance bypass, output distribution, intelligent communications, and the right service and support offering. You get a packaged solution that delivers out-of-the-box professional-grade power performance. This system delivers true online double conversion protection to produce the best possible output power. Since it will protect critical systems, we included a maintenance bypass, so you never need to power down applications for service. And the system accepts a wide input voltage range to ensure the batteries last longer. While the UPS is protecting, it's operating efficiently in either dual conversion or echo mode. In fact, the savings begin early with an economical price point and an easy installation process. High availability for the network edge needs control and visibility. The Liebert EXS delivers. An advanced communication card provides rich connectivity to IT networks and building management systems. And your small operation can get big monitoring results like site temperature, fluid detection, and even physical site access. With Vertiv, you get an excellent monitoring app and options for remote monitoring service, ideal for protecting critical locations anywhere. Finally, no critical power system is considered secure without a critical protection program. Our exclusive support services bring total peace of mind while covering the life cycle of the product. When you face a need for fast, effective, three-phase power, look no further than the Liebert EXS UPS. Visit the address shown here to learn more or to find a partner near you.